What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the Valorant error code VAL43 you are getting when trying to play Valorant on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, close Valorant related apps on your PC. Open up your task manager. In the Processes section, ensure that all Valorant, Vanguard and Riot Games processes are terminated. When this is done, search for Valorant in your Start menu search. Right-click the app icon and click on Open File Location. Your File Explorer will open up. Right-click the Valorant shortcut and select Open File Location again. Navigate to Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64. In this folder, locate the Valorant Win64 shipping application and navigate to its properties. In the Compatibility section, disable full screen optimizations and run the program as an admin. Don't forget to apply your changes. Next, right-click the Valorant application again and select Troubleshoot Compatibility. The Program Compatibility Troubleshooter will launch. Select Try Recommended Settings, and you can then try to launch Valorant without getting the VAL43 error. If the problem persists, then search for Services in your Start menu search to open up your Windows Services Manager. On this window, select any service and start typing VGC. Locate the Vanguard VGC Service and right-click it to access the service properties. Set the startup type to automatic and select to start the service if the service status is set to stopped. Apply your changes and then you can close this window. You can reopen the Riot client and start Valorant without getting an error. All of these steps and additional information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.